Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this superb 508 in the GT line specification. So this car comes with an opening panoramic glass roof, full LED headlights, 19-inch alloy wheels. You get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got half leather interior. The touchscreen features connected 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control with the speed limiter. There's some great safety features too, including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. Let's have a look around. This car's got the 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 160 horsepower. It's got the 8-speed automatic gearbox, done under 14,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.